In this video, I will show you how to use Waze on your Tesla Model 3. First, tap the Tesla touchscreen and open the web browser. In the search bar, type in waze.com/livemap. This takes you to Waze's live map right inside your Tesla. Step 2, you can log in into your Waze account if you like. Then just search for destination, and you will see live traffic updates, hazards, and reports, just like in the mobile app. Keep in mind that the browser version won't give you turn by turn voice navigation. If you want full Waze functionality, you can mount your phone on the dash and connect it via Bluetooth for audio directions. Now, you can enjoy Waze traffic updates on your Tesla Model 3. You can also use Tesla's built in navigation for battery aware routing and Waze alongside it for traffic and police updates. In that way, you can have more better experience.